Hello everyone, this is Shivam from Gossipfunda and today we are going to fix an PlayStation error. So our PlayStation displaying error code su-42481-9. So basically this error occur on PlayStation 4. So we're gonna fix this issue, and if you are also having the same, then watch this video till end. Following error occur when there is a system software update failure. When the system software update of PlayStation fails, you face this error. So to overcome this, first of all restart your PlayStation 4. Now connect your PS4 with internet using wired connection. You can use LAN cable for that. Then try to update system software. If this method does not work, then simply update your system software in safe mode. To update your system software in safe mode, first of all turn off your console. Now press and hold the power button, release it after second beep sound. Now your console starts in safe mode. Then simply select update system software. When your PlayStation is in safe mode, there you will see an option of rebuild database. You can also use this to fix following error code. Just select this option and wait for the process to complete. So I hope this video will be useful to you. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. You can also visit to our website from given link in description. Thank you so much. See you soon.